Welcome back inside the garage, you guys. I know it's been a while, but hey, we're gonna get busy today. Hopefully we can get these onto the car by the end of this week. It is, I don't even know what day it is right now, but I know I'm gonna be putting out a few videos. So part one is gonna be basically what all you guys just saw, all the time-lapse stuff of the prep, the scuffing, and all this other stuff. Why are we prepping these? Because these are gonna get painted. I am not powder coating them because I just don't wanna do that. We're gonna paint them, and that color eventually will be revealed. So as you guys can kind of tell, one of them is really new and the other one is kind of messed up. And if you were watching the time lapse closely, you saw that it was pretty gross. And that's because I was able to get this one from eBay. I could not find a pair specifically of these part numbers. So that's 351422 and that's 351421. So this is left and right front calipers for a 986, and the way you can tell is 986 is right there. We're going to be running these calipers with a honed developments bracket kit, so I'm really looking forward to that. But like I said, we have to get these ready, so in order to get some content out for you guys and to kind of keep you informed as to what's going on, this is part one. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for part two, which is probably gonna be out in the middle of the week, I hope. But yeah, we'll talk about color once we get closer to that, but enjoy this for right now. Stay tuned for part two of this video. Thanks for joining me and stay busy. Thanks.